Ever feel like you're running your business with one hand tied behind your back? That's where I come in. Name's Patrice, contact management superhero. I show up when the lines get messy. Missed calls? Not on my watch. Try me once, just once. They call me The Fix.
Patrice is back, our contact management superhero. When customer calls go unanswered and the inbox stays empty, she steps in. Because if systems can't handle silence, your revenue won't survive it. So, what happens when the customers stop coming? Because they do. Even great businesses hit that stretch where the phone just doesn't ring. And your inbox? Crickets. This episode is for that moment. When silence isn't scary, it's dangerous. I'm Angela Chatterfield, and I've helped dozens of businesses get back on their feet after devastating lead drops. Today, I'm giving you a crisis framework, how to evaluate what's really happening and the hard decisions you have to make if you want to turn the tide, and we know you do. So let's start with the silence. The silence creeps in, and it starts quietly. A few no-shows, a campaign that doesn't convert, and you think, maybe it's just a weird week. Then another week. Fewer inquiries, slower traffic, ads that used to work suddenly just don't. You're watching money go out, but nothing's coming in. Well, here's the thing. Most businesses don't have a recovery plan. No lead count goal, no response time dashboard, no emergency outreach system. Silence sets in because systems break and no one notices. The 3 silent signals. So let me break this down. Number 1, you're spending, but the leads are dropping. That means your messaging is off or your audience isn't responding. Time to recheck your ad copy, not just your budget. Number 2, inquiries stall at, I'll think about it. Your follow-up game is weak or your offer is unclear. Either way, lost momentum equals lost revenue. Number 3, you're trusting vendor reports without proof. Google, Facebook, your CRM, they all show performance, but where are the results? This is the moment where you stop and ask, are we busy or are we even effective? So here's the thing, hard decisions. So let's be honest. Sometimes a business just slows down, but sometimes it can be a gift if you use it right. Now's the time to review every vendor relationship. Is your ad agency actually driving results or just spending your money? Your software subscriptions, are they essential or are they distractions? Labor decisions, who's moving the needle and who's just keeping busy but not really helping? Your own digital footprint. When customers search your name, what are they actually finding? What do your reviews say? Are they relevant? Are you trusting the data? Just because Google said you had 5,000 impressions, if nobody called, can you really trust that number? If Facebook says your ad got clicks but nobody bought, you got to think, rethink, and think again. Here's the fix. Reality is, if it's not converting, you need to look at it. The ad platform needs to work. You may have to rebuild from your own customers, and that's a good idea. Interview your clients. What made them buy? What problem did you solve for them? Build from those answers because they're buying from you. Create a no customer protocol. What's your plan when things go quiet? Who do you contact? What gets tested? What do you cut back on? Back up your business. What's your plan B if your main lead source stops tomorrow? Diversify your channels, email, local partnerships, text campaigns, referrals, something you can control. If the customers stop coming, you better have a system that doesn't stop working. Take our free business assessment. Look down in the description, see where your cracks are before they collapse. And don't forget to get my new book, Instant Response Revolution, on Amazon. Real systems, not just fluff. And subscribe to our daily boost, which is your mental push for every single day. Because in business, silence isn't safe. It's your cue to act before it's too late. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Angela Chatterfield, and this is Business Rescue.